For number 15, it tells me to find the value of x, then find the measure of angle JNB. In order to find the value of x, I'm going to need to realize that when these two angles are added together, I have got this straight line here. Angle JNW is a straight angle that's created when I add angle BNW and BNJ together. So when I add those together, I've got this straight line. A straight angle measures 180 degrees. So I can say that this angle plus this angle will give me 180 degrees. I suggest that you follow along because it might be hard to see this, but your study guide will have it more clear than the video will. So I can say 2x plus 8 plus 9x minus 26 is going to give me 180 degrees. So I added this one and this one together to get 180 degrees. Then I'll combine my like terms. On this side of the equation, I have 2x and 9x. When I do 2x plus 9x, I get 11x. And when I do 8 minus 26, that's going to give me negative 18. And that will be equal to 180 still. I need to now add 18 to both sides. So I get 180 plus 18 gives me 198. So 11x equals 198. I'll divide both sides by 11. And x is going to equal 18. I am not done yet. I need to make sure I answer the question being asked. So it says, then find the measure of angle JNB. JNB is this angle here. I'm going to plug 18 in. It says 2 times x, which is now 18, plus 8. And I'm going to find out what that's equal to. So 2 times 18 plus 8, 2 times 18 plus 8 gives me 44 degrees. So I'll say the measure of angle JNB equals 44 degrees. And those are my two answers for this question here. For number 16, it says, if the perimeter of a regular heptagon is 63 centimeters, what is the measure of a side? First, perimeter means that the distance around the figure. So that's adding all the side lengths together. Regular means all the side lengths are the same. So we don't need to worry about one side length being 1 centimeter and another side length being 10 centimeters. All of them are going to be the same. And then it tells me it's a heptagon. So this sentence right here, or this part of the sentence, gives us a lot of information. Perimeter is the distance around. Regular means all the side lengths are the same. Heptagon means that there are 7 sides. So if there's 7 sides and all the side lengths are the same, and we're trying to figure out what the side length is, we're going to call the side length x because we don't know what that is. But when we multiply the side length by the number of sides, we are going to get 63. So I could divide both sides by 7. And if I do 63 divided by 7, I get 9. But 9 is not an appropriate answer because it tells me that the heptagon's perimeter is 63 centimeters. So the measure of one side is 9 centimeters. And if we move on to number 17, that will be on the next video.